Today we will demo and talk about when share is declined, how to take corrective action, and how to reshare. When share is declined, we will receive an email notification from the platform with reasons for declined share. When we click on the link, and if you are already logged into the platform, you will be taken directly to the declined technical file. We will see the issues where all relevant issues are listed. Like missing reach. Pi is not correct. Let's go back to the Documents tab. And try to resolve the two issues we just saw. We can upload the correct documents and link them to the matching requirements. When we have completed these steps, let's go back to the Issues tab. Click on the green icon. Provide feedback here. Click on Save. Then we click on Resend to share notification. This way we have completed reshare. When we monitor the sharing status of technical files, in addition to email notifications sent by the platform, we can also make use of the Shares page in the platform. On this page you can see all the technical files which you have shared and their statuses. For example, share has not been accepted yet. Some were declined. Some have been accepted. We can also type declined in search. This shows you all the technical files that were declined share. Click on one. Go to Issues and find out the reasons why share was declined. Take corrective action and share again. Thank you for your attention.